friend, grade 8. Today we'll start our first lesson on quarter 4. Our lesson today will be simplifying algebraic expression. So let's start. Let's start with some warm-up. Okay. I want to evaluate each expression for y equals 3. So we have here 3y plus y. So what we will do, we will remove y and put 3. 3 multiplied 3 is 9, plus 3 equals 12. Okay, here 7. What is the relationship between 7 and y? It's multiplication. So when we remove y and put 3, so it will be 7 multiplied 3 equals 21. 10y minus 4y. Here we have 10 multiply y minus 4 multiply y. Y is with 3. So 10 multiply 3 will be 30 minus 4 multiply 3 is 12. So 30 minus 12 will be 18. Next, 9 multiply y. So 9 multiply 3 will be 27. Y is with 3. So 3 plus 5 multiplies 3 is 15, plus 6 multiplies 3 is 18. So it will be 36. And 10 multiplies 3 is 30. Let's start. Our objective today is to simplify algebraic expressions. Okay, we have new vocabulary, term and coefficient. We have here expressions. Okay, 7x plus 9y plus 15, and 7x and 9y and 15 are called terms. So term can be number, variable, product of number and variable. Okay, the relation between terms is plus and minus. Imagine here like a train, and this is all the cars for the train. Okay, and the relationship between them will be plus and minus. Here we have 7x plus 5 minus 3y squared plus y plus x3. So each part here we call it term. Each part we call it term. The relation here between 7 and x is multiplication, but the relation between 7x and 5 is plus, adding. So terms are connecting together by adding or subtracting. Terms are connecting together by adding or subtracting. In one term here, like 7x, we call 7 is coefficient and x is variable. We said before x is a variable and 7 here is coefficient. So here 7 is a coefficient and x is variable. 5 here, what? 5 here is a coefficient. But what is the variable for 5? The variable here for 5 is, for example, x power 0. Okay? Here. Where is the coefficient? Where is the variable? 3 is a coefficient. Y here is a variable. And y here is power 2 or square. Here y is power 1. And what is the coefficient of y? Coefficient of y here is 1. Coefficient of y here is 1. But 1 we don't write it. We don't write 1. What is the coefficient here? The coefficient here will be 1 over 3x. Here the coefficient will be 1 over 3 and the variable is x. So we have 7 is coefficient and x is a variable. X is a variable power 1. Here x is variable power 1. Here y variable power 2. What's mean of like terms? What's mean of like terms? Like terms mean that the variable that has the same, the terms that has the same variable, they are like terms. I don't care about coefficients. I don't care about coefficients. Coefficients 5, half, 3.2, they are terms, they are like terms, okay? But I'm looking at the variable power 1, so all the variable power 1 is like term, all the variable power 2 is like term, okay? Let's check here. This example of like term, we have here x and here x. What is the power of here? What is the power of x here? Here x power 1, here x power 1. So they are like terms. I don't care about coefficients. Coefficients 3 and 2, I don't care about coefficients. Okay, I'm looking only for the variable. Here variable is w, here variable is w, but the coefficient is 1/7 and coefficient is 1. I don't care about coefficients, I'm working with the variable. Here we have 5 and 1.8, both of them are like terms, because here both of them, they don't have variables, so I can add them together or combine them together. What's the meaning of unlike terms? Unlike term, if the exponent is different, we have here this is 1 and this is 2, so they are different. Here, if the variable they are different, if I have a and b, I cannot combine a and b. And if I have one term only containing a variable, 3.2 and n, they are unlike terms. Can we identify here the like term? Okay, we have t, 3t, 5w squared, 7t, 9v, 4w squared, and 8v. So I will take all the t together, the v together, and the w together. Okay, I will use different shape and color to find the like terms. Can we check here? We will look for the like variables and like power. Should be like variables and like power. If I have w and w squared, they are not equal, they are not like terms. Okay, so we have 3t and 7t. We have 5w squared and 4w squared. We have 9v and 8v. They are like terms. So I will take the 3t with 7t, 5w squared with 4w squared, 9v and 8v. Can you check this example, please? Identify like terms in the list. Okay, we will look at the variable with like power. We have 2x and 8x. Here the power is 1, here the power is 1. We have 4y cubed and 5y cubed. Okay, we have 5z and 8z. Okay, what's the meaning of combined like terms? Combined like terms, it's like grouping similar objects. It's like that I'm making groups from like objects. Okay, if I have here 4x, I have here variable x. I have from this variable 4 and I have 5 from the same variable, 5x. So we will add them together. It will be 9x. Correct? So when I have 4 from x and 5 from x, x is a variable, whatever it will be. So the result will be 9x. So I have 4x and 5x, so the result will be 9x. So if I have variable here, same variable, I'm adding them together, so I will add or subtract the coefficient. To combine like term that have variables, add or subtract the coefficient. We want to simplifying these expressions. we have 6t minus 4t. Okay, so what we will do here, we will take 6t and 4t like term, so we will add them. It will be, sorry, we will subtract them, so it will be, okay, 2t. Let's check question B. We have 45x minus 37y minus 87. What we will do now, do you have any like term? Do you have like term here? We don't have like term. So what we will do if we don't have like term? So we don't have here any like term to combine. We don't have here any like terms. So this expression is already simplified. Let's check another example. We have 3a squared, 5b, 11b squared, 4b, 2a squared, and 6. Where is the like terms? First, we need to find the like terms. Okay, we will find the like terms. We have 3a squared and 2a squared. We have 5b and 4b. Don't add 11b squared. Okay, 11b squared, no like term for it. 6, no another term for it. Let's add or subtract the like terms. We have 3a squared and 2a squared. We will group them. 3a squared and 2a squared plus 5b minus 4b and 11b squared minus 6. Let's add this part and subtract this part, so we will have the final answer. 3 plus 2 is 5a squared, and 5 minus 4 is 1b plus 11b squared minus 6. Don't forget that we don't write the 1, okay? I hope you can understand our lesson today. In next video, we will solve more practice from your book. Thank you.